Hey guys, I'm Cole Newper. This is Knox Newper. Congratulations on the purchase of your Frankie cot. And we're going to do a little instruction video on how to assemble it, aren't we? The first things first, when you unpack it, you're going to have a base, two small ends, two long ends, and a bed base. And if you notice on the base here, we've actually imprinted little letters. So this is a B here. They're quite subtle and hard to see, but if you have a look, they're just a little indent. So there's a B, a C, a D, and an A. So you've just got to find the corresponding letter on each side. And the next tip is I like to just lay them all out like this, get them all in the right position. We're going to put our long ends on first and then the short ends. Just works a little bit easier with how the screws go in and how it all goes together. So you'll also have a little pack. You should have 8 brass screws. All the brass screws are for the ones you see, so they're the external ones. They're a little bit shorter too, so they're these gold ones here. And then you've got these long 70mm stainless steel ones that are all for the base, and now they pop up into your base like this. There's an Allen key provided for these, and all these need is just a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so we'll show you how we put it all together. So sides first. Another thing to note, on these sides you've got threads on one side, threads on one side, and then no threads on the other side. So the thread side goes internally. Now I should have, we got D goes on to D. The best way to do this is just to feel around. So pop your bolt on, move that around a little bit, you'll feel it starts to take a little bit. I just do it up by hand a little bit until you've got all 3 in. 3 on the long sides and just 2 on the short sides. There's one, make sure we got the right one. Threads on the inside. And everything's flush with the outside too. If you're struggling to find the hole, you just want to make sure that's sitting flush on the outside. Okay, so they're just hand tight in there, just so you can show you guys. Now we'll grab a few of our brass screws here. Get on the end, same thing, threads on the inside, make sure we got the right number. C goes on to C. Line the ends up, you'll see they sort of just like pop into place like that. Just get everything done up, just hand tight for now, and then right at the end you can go and tighten everything. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And on this side, once again, threads on the inside. There's a little helper Knox going there. Okay, so once that's done, I would then go around and tighten up everything with a flathead screwdriver and the Allen key provided, all up in there, get everything's tight. And then this is our bed base, and simply it just will slot straight in. It's quite a nice, snug, tight fit. So if we're going all the way to the bottom, for the toddler age or a little bit later on, that will just sit on the bottom like that. Newborns, we've got to bring it up into the threads here. So it's a lot easier to do it with two people. So I would get someone to help you. All you're going to do is just hold it in place like this. Come on buddy, you can make it. Hold it in place like that. Get someone else to sort of go around, just put those threads in. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And they're all the smaller little screws that you have with the Allen key heads. And it's as simple as that. Make sure everything's tight and you're good to go.